Hello, my name's Nadia.
What's up?
Well, you asked me for another burping video, so I'm going to give you another burping video. A lot of you have been messaging me, calling me, make another one, woo! So I'm going to make another one. If you guys want to, you can send me messages and ask me what you want me to burp. I can do all different types, like that one. Whoa, that was a really big one. Or you can make me do short ones or really long sentences. Here.
Hi, my name Nadia.
So I can do that one, or I can make a really big one like ooh, yeah, I'm making lots of them. Ooh, that's a little small one. Actually, my burps are natural. Sometimes I use green tea, but I don't use pop. My burps just come naturally to me. I think pop's cheating. Nothing gets anyone. Please don't hate me. I don't want no one to hate me. Hold on. Ooh. I don't want anyone to hate me, but my burps do come naturally. I just go. I can do two different ways. This one. Or I can do the sawing one, but I saw air.
Like this.
Ooh. What other can I do?
I have 2 dogs.
I just said that I have 2 dogs. I also have
2 brothers.
Ooh. So yeah. Burping makes my throat really dry. Peace.